Hello.
Hey.
So we just came back from Isle of Dogs, and I thought it was pretty good. So it's gonna seem like we're both about to fall asleep because it's like midnight
Because
right
we
now.
are. It's like 10 after midnight, and to be really honest, I fell asleep in the movie.
Yeah, I'm really disappointed. She missed a good movie.
I didn't miss the entire movie. I missed like a half an hour. It was a cute film, but I'm even cuter and I need my rest.
Yeah, she's cuter, and I'm the movie guy, so I watched Isle of Dogs, which had it was good animation. Wes Anderson did this. He did like the Grand Budapest Hotel, which you liked. He's done a lot of like quirky, eccentric movies. The voice cast was insane. Bryan Cranston, Scarlett Johansson, Sam Jackson, Edward Norton, Yoko Ono was in this. But I mean, it was a phenomenal movie.
I really loved the look of the film. I loved how they inserted like their Japanese wording all along throughout the film, and then they had like the subtitles to go with it in certain points. That was really cute. The story itself was really touching, and I liked how they made the colors. I don't know what I want to say because I'm exhausted. Like they made certain parts look really grim and dim, and then other parts really stood out.
Yeah, everything about this movie just worked. I felt. I just really enjoyed it. I definitely recommend it, and see you guys later.
See you.
Night.
Good night.